Imagine walking into a store and unknowingly stepping into a psychological maze designed to make you spend more than you planned. Welcome to IKEA. From flat-pack genius to scandalous secrets, this is no ordinary furniture story. Stick around because what you're about to discover will change the way you shop forever. From farm to fame, the humble beginnings of IKEA. The story of IKEA begins in the 1920s in a small village in Sweden, where its founder Ingvar Kamprad was born. Ingvar grew up on a modest farm called Elmteryd, in the village of Agunnaryd, which would later lend its name to the company. Born into a struggling farming family, Ingvar was shaped by a culture of resourcefulness and hard work. Even as a child, Ingvar displayed an entrepreneurial spirit. At just 6 years old, he began selling matches to neighbors, earning a small profit. He quickly expanded his offerings to include Christmas decorations, seeds, and pens. Ingvar's ability to identify opportunities and reinvest profits became the foundation of his business acumen. Despite his dyslexia, which made academic tasks challenging, Ingvar's determination set him apart. Instead of relying on traditional inventory methods, he began naming products with memorable names rather than numbers, a practice still used by IKEA today. The birth of IKEA. A teenage entrepreneur's vision. At just 17 years old, Ingvar officially founded IKEA in 1943. The name was derived from his initials, his family farm, Elmteryd, and his hometown, Agunnaryd. Initially, IKEA was a mail-order business selling small items like pens, wallets, and watches. The business operated out of a modest shed on the family farm. Ingvar's approach was simple but effective. Buy in bulk at low prices and sell at a profit. By the late 1940s, the company had grown enough for Ingvar to explore new markets. Recognizing Sweden's post-war housing boom, he added furniture to his catalog in 1948. This decision marked a turning point for IKEA, as demand for affordable furniture skyrocketed. The flat-pack revolution, changing the furniture industry forever. One of IKEA's most groundbreaking innovations came in the 1950s with the introduction of flat-pack furniture. The concept was born out of practicality when an employee suggested detaching the legs of a table to make transportation easier. Ingvar realized that this approach could revolutionize the way furniture was stored, transported, and sold. Flat-pack furniture allowed IKEA to reduce shipping costs significantly. Products could be transported more efficiently, and customers could take home their purchases the same day. It also enabled IKEA to adopt a self-service model, where customers could collect furniture from the warehouse and assemble it at home. This innovation wasn't just about cost saving. Researchers later identified the IKEA effect, a psychological phenomenon where customers placed higher value on products they helped assemble. This sense of ownership fostered loyalty and strengthened IKEA's brand identity. IKEA's maze-like stores, the ultimate customer experience. IKEA stores are renowned for their unique layout, designed to maximize customer engagement and sales. Ingvar's vision transformed IKEA stores into more than just retail spaces. They became immersive experiences. Each store is designed as a one-way maze, guiding customers through a series of fully furnished showrooms. This layout ensures that shoppers see the entire range of products, encouraging impulse purchases. Larger items are displayed first, setting a price benchmark, while smaller, more affordable items are strategically placed near the checkout to tempt customers further. Additionally, IKEA introduced in-store restaurants offering inexpensive meals like Swedish meatballs. This not only kept customers in the store longer, but also attracted visitors who might not have come for furniture, turning IKEA into a day-out destination. The Swedish furniture wars, overcoming industry opposition. In the 1950s, IKEA's success began threatening Sweden's established furniture industry. Competitors viewed IKEA's low prices and innovative strategies as disruptive. In response, they orchestrated a boycott, pressuring suppliers to stop working with IKEA. Faced with dwindling supplier options, Ingvar turned to Poland, where he found manufacturers willing to produce high-quality furniture at lower costs. This move not only saved IKEA, but also marked the beginning of its global supply chain. Polish factories became key partners, helping IKEA maintain its affordability and quality. The conflict, dubbed the Swedish Furniture Wars, highlighted Ingvar's resilience and resourcefulness. Despite intense opposition, IKEA emerged stronger, with a more efficient and diversified supply chain. Controversy and redemption. Ingvar's complicated past. Ingvar Kamprad's legacy is not without controversy. In the 1990s, it was revealed that as a teenager, Ingvar had been influenced by pro-Nazi sentiments within his family, particularly from his grandmother. He admitted to attending meetings of the Swedish Nazi movement during his youth, a revelation that tarnished his reputation. However, Ingvar publicly acknowledged his past mistakes, expressing deep regret and distancing himself from those ideologies. While these admissions cast a shadow over his achievements, many admired his honesty and willingness to confront his past. Further controversy arose in the 1980s when it was discovered that some of IKEA's suppliers in East Germany had used forced labor. Although IKEA later took steps to ensure ethical practices, these revelations remain a blemish on the company's history. Going global, IKEA's international expansion. IKEA's journey from a small Swedish company to a global giant was fueled by Ingvar's ambition to bring affordable furniture to the world. The company opened its first international store in Norway in 1963, followed by expansions into Denmark, Germany, and beyond. By the 1980s, IKEA had entered markets in North America, Australia, and Asia, adapting its products and marketing to suit local tastes. For example, in Japan, IKEA introduced smaller furniture pieces to cater to the compact living spaces common in urban areas. In the United States, the company tailored its offerings to include larger furniture sizes to match American preferences. IKEA's catalog, often referred to as the Bible of Furniture, became a global phenomenon. Printed in multiple languages, it helped establish IKEA's brand identity worldwide. Tax strategies and corporate structure. A charitable empire. To secure IKEA's future and reduce tax liabilities, Ingvar implemented a complex corporate structure. In the 1980s, he transferred ownership of IKEA to a Dutch-based non-profit organization, the Stichting Inca Foundation. This structure positioned IKEA as one of the world's largest charities despite its for-profit operations. By routing profits through various holding companies and trusts, IKEA minimized its tax burden, raising eyebrows among financial watchdogs. Critics accuse IKEA of using this arrangement to avoid paying billions in taxes. However, Ingvar maintained that the structure was designed to protect the company from hostile takeovers and ensure its longevity. Supporters argue that this strategy safeguarded the brand's independence, allowing it to focus on affordable furniture and customer value. Today, the foundation supports various charitable initiatives, but the ethical implications of its tax strategies remain a topic of debate. Ingvar's frugal lifestyle and leadership philosophy. Despite amassing a fortune, Ingvar Kamprad was famously frugal. He lived in a modest home, drove an old Volvo, and often flew economy class, even preferring to assemble his own furniture at home. This simplicity extended to his leadership style. He treated employees like family, emphasizing teamwork and humility. Ingvar's hands-on approach and ability to connect with workers at all levels fostered a strong company culture. He was known to share meals in the company cafeteria, choosing the same affordable dishes offered to employees. Employees admired his commitment to IKEA's core values, which emphasized affordability, quality, and sustainability. The legacy of IKEA, innovation, and influence. Ingvar Kamprad passed away in 2018, but his vision continues to shape IKEA's operations. Today, IKEA has over 450 stores in more than 50 countries with annual revenues exceeding $50 billion. Its influence extends beyond furniture, inspiring innovations in retail design, supply chain management, and sustainability. IKEA's flat-pack furniture revolutionized the industry, while its store layouts and marketing strategies have become benchmarks for other retailers. The company's commitment to affordability and customer experience has made it a beloved brand worldwide. While controversies have marked its history, IKEA's story is ultimately one of resilience, innovation, and the transformative power of perseverance. From a small farm in Sweden to a global empire, IKEA stands as a testament to the enduring impact of bold ideas and relentless determination. That's all for today's video. If you've ever wondered how a matchstick-selling farm boy built a global furniture empire full of meatballs, controversy, and psychological tricks, this is the video for you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more untold stories that will blow your mind. Let's dive into the world of IKEA.